Gear up, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're building a simple DC motor from scratch. First, grab your materials. You'll need cardboard, copper wire, magnets, an AA battery, paper clips, tape, and sandpaper. Start by making your coil. Wrap 1 meter of copper wire around a battery, leaving 3 centimeters on each end. Slide it off and secure it by wrapping the ends around the coil. Sand one side of each wire end to remove insulation. Next, cut a 10 by 5 centimeters cardboard piece and tape 2 L-shaped paper clips on opposite sides. Place magnets beneath where the coil will spin. Attach the battery holder and connect the battery to the paper clips. Now, position the coil between the paper clips. Give it a push and watch it spin. The magic of electromagnetism at work. Experiment with wire turns and balance for best results. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome DIY projects.